Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to list your property on Rightmove. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to rightmove.co.uk and you'll be greeted by a website looking like this. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Rightmove. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Rightmove videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So basically, as you can see, here we are on the official website where you can see a lot of things. Here we can see the houses that we can go and buy. We can see some houses that we can go and rent. We can see some house prices here. We can go and find agents, so find estate agents. We can see commercials, Inspire, and we can see some homes that are overseas, so in all countries and some European countries. As you can see in the middle of the screen, we can see that we have a search bar where you can go and put your address in and type for sale or to rent, basically whatever you want. And guys, also in the top right corner, we have My Rightmove, where you can see everything about your profile. So here we have saved properties, inquiries, drawn areas, tracked properties. We have guys the searches and alerts, account settings, and of course at the end we have the sign out button. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and list your property on Rightmove. Well guys, you'll need to work with an agent who has an active membership with Rightmove, and that's basically how you can do it. You can go and in the find agent, go find your agent, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.